Caitlin's not here yet. Waiting for Coleman.
My sister.
Head west on Palomino Lane. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Campbell Drive.
Sent to, bro. I swear I never get any of your texts.
Right there. Somewhere.
You don't have them? No, I don't.
Well, if I could.
Okay. So windy. Let's go. Ethan! Ethan, say hi!
Say hi!
Hi! Finish day one.
Paradise.
Yeah, no, it said let it rest for 30 minutes.
Wait, who wants it?
You four.
He did all my bubbles.
Wait,
What happened to yours?
it's everywhere. No. I see it. Where are your bubbles? No, I see it. I'll guys see it. There's no bubbles. There's no bubbles.
Wash your face.
Ah!
Oh, yeah, Gavin, you want to wash your face too? You guys should all wash your face.
Yeah, wait. I already watched.
Okay, this is good enough, right?
Yeah, well, yours isn't emulsified either, but whatever. Okay. Do you want more, Gavin?
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Yo, something is up. Alright, nah.
No,
we're
keep
good.
scrubbing, keep scrubbing. And talk about
Dude, it doesn't fit my. It doesn't fit my.
I was right about Ethan's face.
Are you guys laying down?
I thought you
said
said
to
to
lay
lay
down.
down.
Yeah.
It's so hard to fit everyone in.
Please don't.
Oh,
Sorry.
Release this.
Sorry. Oh wait, this is good. It's good.
Yo, it's not bad.
It's so pretty.
Boy,
So, how pretty it is. Welcome to the vlog.
Hey guys. This is day 2 for eating. We got this all for free. Yeah.
Oh my god, my face is so red.
Look at all the snow, chat.
It's snowing. It's hailing.
I cannot do this. I'm full covered up. Wait, am I not covered up?
Oh
I'm
my
not
god.
covered up.
My
That's
face.
Burning cold.
going home.
Tangled up in blue.
Bro, damn, I got absolutely nothing from the mega pit.